What's up, dear founders? This is Nick. Today, I want to share with you some unique experience that we made for one of our clients. So, what's going on? You can see this is our product, traditional GPT, but made by us. And the most important stuff, it's work based on a client's data. What's going on? How it's work generally? You can see this spreadsheet. You can imagine that this spreadsheet is any SQL or no SQL database. For us, it doesn't matter. Or if even you store in some CSV file your data or spreadsheets, for us it's also OK. It represents some data of auto vehicle dealership. It's a taste data, yes, so it's not real stuff, but I use it for a demo. I cannot share, of course, real data of customers. And you can see that there is some, for example, amount of sales, used vehicles, amount of deals, new sold age, and all other stuff. And based on this data, we built a GPT that founders, C-level, not technical guys, can work with, so they can receive reports about what's going on inside company in real time, just asking our model. That's how we work. We just press one button, show total sales by dealer. You can also write any prompt and etc. And in the end, it will give you amounts, yes, and it will also create you a beautiful dashboard, as you can see here. For example, I can also write a prompt. For example, what average deal size? And you can see it's moving forward and exploring database. It takes some time because it's need to transparent, but you can see that yeah, average overall deal size is $1,000, average new deal size, average use. So it's also provided as a GPT some variance. If I give you strict that give me average overall deal size, it will provide this. Like you see how it's work, and it's also displaying the beautiful dashboard as I mentioned. How it's work generally. So here is a mirror diagram I made. So users writing a prompt, yes, it's moving into our solution. We made those solution integrated directly to the database of a client. I will explain later why we need this stuff. We made a request to users database, and with the result receive data, make aggregation based on prompt, and return back to user the same stuff as you can see. Why we need integrations? Because we need to explain GPT what this data that I showed here is about. Because GPT cannot understand what do you mean use stocks. Yes, you need to provide much more detailed description, and if there is a key, if there is a reference between data, you also need to say that this spreadsheet have this key. You can see that based on this example, there is only one table, yes. In fact, there's a lot of more, but for them I used only this stuff. And here you can see how much data here, yes, and explanation of all columns. So for example, total visits is number of showroom or website visit lodged in a customer like CRM in a management system. So this product can work with anything, with the CMS, dealer management system, with the data warehouses, with some custom solution, with the existing ERP systems. For us, it doesn't matter. The only one stuff that the more data you have, the much more cost will be the final cost of integration solutions, because again we need to reverse all your database, find all relations, and based on this adapt our solution for this. But this really can reduce your cost quality. Why? Because you don't need IT or a data scientist anymore. You can just make one-time integration, and then all non-technical guys, all your management, all decision makers, they can just write some like prompt and receive information. We also work with accessibility. So if you want to manage accesses for some data and restrict accesses for another type of users, it's also can be done by this solution. That's it. And yeah, I believe that if you might need something like this, just contact me through the link below. And yeah, let's build new age of data together. It was your trustable chief executive officer. We'll see you.